rev up those fryers, because I am sure hungry for one. Help! Help! My leg!
You can't put a price on me first dime, and I can't forgive that thieving bilge rat Squidward for stealing it.
Listen, you cross-ages cheapskate! Squidward's been living at my house driving me crazy, and you're not gonna hire him back all because of a stupid...
Another one? Look, I told you, little friend, I ain't paying for that!
Well, this one's on the...
Is this the Krusty Krab?
No, this is Patrick.
Is this the Krusty Krab?
No, this is Patrick.
Is this the Krusty Krab?
No, this is Patrick. I'm not a Krusty Krab.